Hello everyone, welcome again in Eng-Man YouTube channel. So we will continue our learning on PVTP software for compositional oil modeling. And in previous video, we have completed the validation for the phase envelope, CCE, differential liberation, and separator train using the first regression. Now we will continue further, and we now reach the second regression. We will do the second regression. Okay. And by the way, we have achieved satisfactory match for the saturation pressure and oil density, but we still have homework to improve the quality for the match for the differential. But we still have homework to improve the matching for oil formation volume factor and GOR from the differential liberation. And we will do the second regression now. Okay, so let me close this one. We will now manually add an additional regression object. However, as we want to keep many of the same parameters as previously used in the first regression, we will do this by making a copy of the first regression object. Okay, so I'm not going to make a new regression object with everything blank within it, but I'd rather copying the regression because indeed I want to use the many parameters inside the first regression, including the regression mode, the weighting, and then exclude and include, right? We want to maintain them. That's why we need to copy, right click, copy, and then on the empty space, free space, paste. We need to move. Okay, so now we have connection with the PVT fluid, but actually I want to change the connection from PVT fluid to this fluid regression 1 or fluid regress 1. So panel actions, connect, let's connect it with this, and let's unconnect them. Okay, so here, and then I want to move there so that it's like a straight process, straightforward process. Okay, so now we have the first regression and second regression. I want to rename it. So let's right click, edit label, first regression, and then here we have edit label, second regression. Beautiful. Expand this. Okay. And now let's select this. Okay, so we will use the selected block as the fluid model to be assessed. This one also. Select. Okay, good. And then open the second regression. You see, we still have many things here maintained, constant composition expansion, excluded for the relative volume. You see here, we maintain them because we copy from the first regression. And let's go to the regression input. You see here, in the first regression, we didn't include the solution gas oil ratio from the flip, also for the oil viscosity, oil formation volume factor, rather from the flip. That's why we achieve not very good match for both of them. Okay, so here we want to leave all the parameters already selected, but we will include the differential liberation oil formation volume factor and differential liberation solution GOR. As we do not want to make too many changes, we will set the weighting to medium. Okay, so let's check these two, and rather than using high as the default, to make the regression not very extreme, let's select medium for the deflip solution gas oil ratio and deflip oil formation volume factor. By the way, as I said in previous videos, achieving good matching using the differential liberation experiment is not very, it's not very smooth. It's quite challenging. That's why let's manage the expectation by using medium weighting. Everything good. And then let's, press calculate. Regression or second regression on progress. Okay. And after that, we will do the quality check, just like the primary quality check we did before. Okay. We will check the regression variables and regression error details, and also output fluid. But I think we can call it a day. See you on the next video. Thank you.